Tabeni uhambe phezulu kwamazwi ehhovisi lika mengameli ukuthi iningizimu Afrika isazoqhubeka ukuba yilungu le-ICC, kodwa wathi lesigungu esisunguliwe sizocubungula ukuthi ingqungquthela yangoncwaba yamazwe e-BRICS ezohanjelwa nangu-Putin ingasingathwa kanjani kuleli ngaphandle kokubonakala kweningizimu Afrika ingathi idelela i-ICC.
The President appointed an interministerial committee, commonly known as the IMC, that is chaired by the Deputy President, His Excellency Deputy President Mashatile, that is considering various options on the matter of the ICC.
Untabeni uthi cabinet idingide nodaba lokutakula kwabakuleli abase-Sudan ekungethwe inxushunxushu.
There are 5 South Africans who are still in Sudan because at the time of evacuation, they had not made contact with our embassy. Cabinet is appealing to South Africans to always notify our missions of their presence when traveling abroad, including for holidays. We are going to return the 5.
Ecacisa ngodaba lokutheleka esikhumulweni sombutho wezokuvikela ebulembu e-Eastern Cape, kuwamengameli wase-United Arab Emirates noyingonyama yase-Abu Dhabi uSheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, ungqongqoshe uNtshabeni uthe sasingekho isidingo sokumemezela ukufika kwakhe kulelizwe ngoba kwabe kuyinto yangasese. Ubephendula enabanye ongqongqoshe abathintekayo, usigaxa mabhande womkhosi wasemoyeni kanye nophiko oluqoqa intela.
The hosting of the UAE president has conformed to international diplomatic standards and is fully compliant with South African laws.
Nababukeli bethu bayithumelile imbono yabo yevideo ngoWhatsApp bephawula ngalolu daba.